Hello everyone, myself Pranav Rani. I am from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I have completed MSc Computer Science from PVG College of Science, Pune. This is the original video. Let's discuss about today's topic. Today's topic is exceptional handling in Java. So we will discuss about what is the exception, why the exception occur, what events we require to handle the exception in Java. So let's discuss about today's topic. First of all, what is exception? Exception is the condition occurring during the program execution due to which the normal flow of program is changed, due to which the programming rest of the code is not able to execute it. There are many types of exception like null pointer exception, class not found exception, SQL exception. But it is the unwanted situation. It is not in the hands of developer. We have prior condition to write the exception. Hence, to handle the exception, we can write the code of exception handling on which we have to do the compulsory code, means which is executed in the compulsory basis. For example, if we have a statement in the Java program, suppose the exception is occurring at fifth line, so the 6 to 10, the rest of the code is not executed. In the many big project of IT, information technology, if we have big project and due to some the occurring condition, the exception occur at the middle. But due to the small that event, the whole normal flow of program is disturbed. To ensure the security of the program, we are added the feature of exception handling. So there are three types of exception: checked exception, unchecked exception, and errors. So first of all, the checked exception. The checked exception all occurs at the compile time when the compiler already know the following condition is occurred, due to which the normal flow of program will change. For example, class not found exception. If we write the another class, if we pass the another class which is not included in the package, it is called a class not found exception, which compiler already know. SQL exception, database not found. If we want to particular fetch the particular table which is not present in the database, the SQL exception it will happen. So it is occurring at compile time. So now the unchecked exception, the exception which will occurring at runtime is called as the unchecked exception. But compiler doesn't know about that situation. It's depend upon the uh, logical syntactical mistake of the programmer or anything else. So uh, th- for example, null pointer exception, array index out of bound exception. And third one is the error. Error is causing due to the some mistake of programmer, that is syntactical error or grammatical mistake due to programmer. There are many ways to event the occurring the to cure the exception in Java. That is called as the exception handling, due to which the normal flow of program still continue if some errors, although there are some exception occurring in the program. For example, if we have try block, the try block in which if we have particular code we want to execute, we put the code in the try catch. If the particular exception is occurring in the try catch, the try block that fetch the exception, means they define the compiler which exception will occur. And next one is catch block. Try and catch block is writing we simultaneously. The catch without trying is causing us error, and catch without trying try block is causing will showing us error. Catch is the block where we handle the exception. We find the solution for the exception. If we declare any exception type, but that user doesn't know the what is the null pointer exception, so we write in the user defined language. So you write the something else, you have to do that the code, that is the user defined exception. The next one is the finally block. If the although the exception is occurring in the try block and handle at catch block, but although the situation is not clear, If you want to execute a particular line of code permanently, although exception is happening or not, we use the finally block. In the finally block, the 100% is the surety of executing of code. Because of that, the normal the main line of program will execute it. That is all about the exception handling in Java. Thank you.